In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add Google reviews to your Wix website. This is very quick and easy. Just follow these simple steps and you will be able to add Google reviews to your Wix website. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to search for this website. It's called Elf Site. Okay, click on it, and this is how the website, you click the first result that says 80 plus website widgets. Click on the first website. Now after that, you want to click on sign up free in the top right. As you can see, sign up free. Now if you already have an account, you want to click on login. Now after you click on sign up free, you just want to use your information, and then after you sign up, what you want to do, guys, next you want to click on reviews. As you can see in the top here, reviews. After you click on reviews, you want to find here Google reviews. Okay, you can find there Amazon reviews, Etsy reviews, Yelp reviews. You want to select Google reviews here in the top, create widget. Click on create widget. Now the first thing, you just want to click which template you want to start with. I like this one or this one, yeah. And then after that, you want to click on continue with this template at the very bottom left. And then if you can either use your Google Place ID from Google My Business or find your place by business name. Now if you don't want, you can just customize your template here. You can customize, for example, you can customize for you like this. Click on review, and then you can add here show verified. As you can see, these accounts are verified now. You can click on appearance. You can change the colors. Now after you finish, guys, customizing this, what you want to do, guys, next you want to click on add to website, and then it will ask you guys to choose a plan. It didn't ask me because I already chose a plan. Now select the free one. If you don't want to pay for it, just select the free one, and after that you will see here add widget to your website, and then you want to click this code. It says here copy, click it, and then open your website, click design site so that you can add the code to your website. Now after you open the website, select the website that you want to add Google reviews to, and after you select it, I'm going to be showing you how you can add this code to your website so that you can add Google reviews to your Wix website. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to click this plus in the top left, okay, and then you want to click embed code. Next thing, you want to click on HTML code. As you can see, HTML code, click on it, and here you have to enter the code that you have copied from Elf Site website. Click update, and that's exactly, guys, how you can add Google reviews to your Wix website. Now if you select the free plan, you can only do that once. Now if you select the paid ones, then you can do that multiple times, so you can then move Google reviews anywhere you want in your website. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. Like I said, just paste the code here where it says add your code here. See you guys next video.